Virginia Stockwell, and my channel is all about becoming a personal chef. So if you're interested in becoming a personal chef, please subscribe, and I'd be happy to answer any questions that you have as well. I put my email below, so if you want to send me a message and ask me anything, I'll be happy to reply to it on an upcoming video. The question I get actually weekly is what I'm going to answer today, and it's what kind of containers do you use at your meal prep sessions? So when I make meal prep, I do it more family style. So I'll make like a casserole or whatever, and I'll put it in one dish. I don't put it in individual dishes. So unless it's, sometimes I'll have a single person and they'll ask for 3 meals of 2 servings each, and I'll put those in individual dishes. But otherwise, if it's a family of 4 or 5, I do put it in one container for them to just reheat as a family and not have individual dinners to choose from. Plus, you're like making somebody eat this particular serving size, and I don't know, the young teenage girl only wants to eat the small serving size and the teenage boy wants to eat double the size, so I'm not going to make that decision for them, which is kind of why I put it in one big container. So what I like to use are these Pyrex containers, and it comes with a plastic lid. This is a 4-cup size. There's 1 cup, 2 cup, 4 cup, and 7 cup sizes. And I encourage the clients to get all the sizes. I especially like the 7-cup size, and this is a good size to put a family of 4 or a family of 4. You can use 2 of these to have if they eat a little more than usual. So I think gone are the days when we show up with containers and we charge them like a $50 fee or whatever, a container fee. I don't think that you have to do that anymore. I mean, we're trying to save some time here. So what you can do is instead email them a link to buy them themselves on Amazon. So when you arrive at the cook session on your next visit, they'll be waiting for you. I am surprised how many cupboards I look into on a consultation and don't see any containers for leftover food. Like, what are they putting it in? And a lot of people actually had been using like Asian food takeout containers, those plastic ones with the plastic lids. They're actually not meant to be reused over and over, and they definitely aren't meant to go in the dishwasher and then be eaten out of. I think that chemicals are being leached out of this, so you really want to encourage them to get rid of those and be an adult, get some real containers. So again, this is how I run my business, so it doesn't mean it's how you have to run your business. If you want to use other containers, of course that's fine, but this is what I like to use. So that's the question I get a lot, and I hope it was helpful. If it was helpful to you, please like it below, and yeah, I'd love to answer your question in an upcoming video. I hope you have a good day.